Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write report on Children's Day celebration in your school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, start with the heading or title of your report. Here, for example, I am writing Report on Children's Day celebration at the Asian School. Next, to the left hand side corner, write the name of the person by which this report is being prepared. Here, for example, I am writing Reported by Aradhya, Class 10. In the next line, start with the date on which the event took place, followed by the place where the event took place. Here, for example, I am writing 14th November 2023, Dehradun. After this, we will start writing our report in detail. On the occasion of Children's Day, the Asian School celebrated a joyous and memorable event. The day was marked by enthusiasm, creativity, and a spirit of togetherness. The celebrations began with a special morning assembly where teachers and students paid homage to the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The assembly featured speeches, songs, and poems dedicated to children's rights and their significance in society. Following the assembly, various exciting activities were organized throughout the day. Students participated in art and craft competitions, storytelling sessions, and sports events, all tailored to their age groups. The highlight of the day was the cultural program, which showcased the talents of our students through dance, music, and skits. The Children's Day celebration at our school was a delightful experience for both students and teachers. It reinforced the importance of nurturing and celebrating the innocence, creativity, and the potential of the children, ensuring they feel loved and cherished.